Okay, I think I'm dead. Oh, we lost that battle. I doubt we're supposed to lose that battle. Hello, this is Esper and we're back here with Cris Tales. Hello everyone. Last time we saved right here, we were still kind of wandering around here through Cinder. Goodness, that rumble. Okay, let's go up here. Can we fix anything from this side, or do we need to... We might need to fix it all from that side.
That healer could be around.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta fix it from down there. Might get caught. Yep, we're gonna get caught. Idiot fight. And we've got Hay and the girl. The odd girl that throws random things in our team at the moment. So that's gonna be interesting. Okay. Let's make Grant speed boost. Let's give her the speed boost. See what she can do more. Get her back up here. Oh yeah. Random effect. Oh, that was a crit. I do wish I had my scan though. He's close to overheating. Oh, don't catch her on fire. Okay, we kind of blocked that semi. Oh yeah, smack it with a hammer. Okay. Give him a speed boost as well. Ugh. Like, I'm hurt. All we do is to mirror image. Okay, well. Smack it with that hammer. Good girl. I'm gonna... There we go. Yeah, I'm broke. I'm hurt. That hurt a lot. Very good girl. Oh. Ow. Fire! Skill roulette. Let's do that. Good. That was a good heal. I like her so far. She's pretty good. Okay. Impacts. That was a good one. Yeah. Little bugs. Pain. Goodness. Concentrating, trying to get that up. Oh. Give him some health. He needs it. Okay, girl. Ew. Pain. Another hammer. You hit that guy twice with that. Okay. Oh, good. We need to take care of this burn, though, that's happening. Oh, yeah, we got some flasks with feathers. Micro bolt. Ooh. New move. How's our team? Do we keep their burn? I think so. Look it, so. I want to wait to talk to them. I don't know if they'll trigger something. They look pretty important, so... Oh, goodness. Oh, I want... I really, really wish... Okay, let's... Does that help? Wait. We got a new micro. Ow. Burn. Burn. Kill the bug. Okay. Actually, she needs speed up. Speed her up. After that. Oh, good. I wanted that one hurt. I want you down. Die already. Oh. Gonna burn him. Oh, he just punched him. Straight up punched the thing. Go hammer. Good. Get rid of the thing. I wish I had something specifically. Give you both speed boosts. A break. I feel like. He's overheating. And that's gonna take a big chunk of health. Oops. Ooh. Darn well throw out a whole bomb. Yeah, juggle him over here. Do that instead. It's fireman slime. Ooh, heal roulette. Everyone could use a little health. Everyone gets a boost. Okay. I'll punch this thing over here. Ew. Aha, the ones old and the others are tiny. Gonna break. Pain. Let's do this, because I don't want him to overdo it. He's low on health. Gonna heal him. There we go. You! Pull out that magic trick bag and squish this thing. Ow! Good job. I like her. She's a good little helper. He's not bad. I'm not a huge fan of his overheat though. I have a spot over here. Nothing over there to restore. Oh. Yeah, you got again. Alright. Skills. Speed people up. Get her some speed. Throw a hammer or something at it. Oh, get them both. That's good. Get rid of a bug. Yes. Oh, now we got one burning. Throw another bomb. Good. I like that. Good girl. I probably should have slowed it down. That might have been a good thing for her. Or speed up. Oh, we got synchro, but I'll wait till a little bit bigger fight, maybe. That was a good damage, especially after our explosion. Hit him with that hammer. Oh, no, 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 I didn't mean to do that. Well, I did that. He's gonna blow up. He's like, pain. Not exactly what I meant to do, but okay. What I meant to do was this. Like, slow him down. There we go. It all worked out in the end just fine. It's chest. It's chest. Tent! Okay. Good. Well, that's fine. I can use tents.
Cris, what do you want to do?
I want to record our progress.
Make sure we get a saving, because you never know when we could die, and we'll lose that. We've already played over 13 hours. Can you believe that? Uh-oh, immediately into another battle. We are getting our time in. Okay, you. I like you. Come here. Throw something at it. Good. Smack it with a hammer. I see hammers and bombs a lot. Tell me to die. Kill it! Spike hammer. Okay. Good girl. Be nice if it helped us heat any too. Or if I healed them, I guess, but I don't think it would do that. I don't think either of them like them sparking like that. Ow. Pain! Pain again! I think you get to do a magic roulette. No, I meant to heal roulette. Okay. Whoa! He didn't like that, that's for sure. Oh. Now we're burning a lot. Like that. He's spawning! Oh, no, no. I needed health. Girl, I really need you to do a heal roulette. Good. Heal this party up. Did a lot of good healing. Okay. Okay, we need to, I think, kill this one. Oh, they all hated that. She needs to help out. Save him! Ow. Fire! Punch away. You guys have too many turns. Need speed boost. Ow, pain. Be fast, child. Back in there. We're all in pain. Okay. Maybe we need to heal up. Oh, goodness. I don't know if it calls for a 10th, though. Problem. But I should probably keep all my potions for...
Cris Bell, what do you want?
We should rest for a while.
We
I
still
should
have
keep
some tents
our
here.
potions for in-battle type stuff. Good nap here again. Got a snooze in. There's a guy up here I want to talk to. Oh, he's the traitor! Traitor!
This is quite the scenery change from those mines. Oh, sorry. I was just daydreaming.
Anything? Let's see, what can we buy? Anti-burn. I have 5. Why didn't I use it? Mega mana potion. Healing jar. Target. What's the difference? Restores 500 HP. Restores 500. Looks like the same thing. Both a healing jar. Okay. How do I get to that chest back there? No! I'm trying to get these chests. This whole episode's gonna be just finding these chests. Green-haired girl. Help me! Good. Oh, they don't like those. Oh, not quite down. Burn. Another bomb. Oh, okay, good. That was 184. Wow. Oh, I should have probably done a speed for the other one, but oh well. Sorry, Kay. I like her face. And when? Get rid of these Barney bugs. Be a boost. Yeah, get you a few turns. Oh, he's mad. Goodness. He went at it. Confused now. He's like, oh yeah. So let's hit this guy with a few impact strikes and okay. Hit yourself. Hit yourself like your Pokemon. Oh yeah. Hit your friend. That's fine, buddy. Oh, he's really at it with those. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, can we make some progress? We really need the level ups, I know. But it gets kind of old. Doing the same baddies. You know what helps to do it? Amber ring. You from remaining favor. Use over 5% match. Okay, why not? There's no reason not to. Allows. Oh, we could do that, but I don't think we need to at the moment. Signet with Cinder's coat of arms boosts HP defense. Give her those. What do we do up here? Anything up here? Students' books. And we got another encounter. Yes. Whoa, she's like not even on the map. How about a magic roulette? Party show! Alright, let's see here. Bug. I do not want you. I don't hear him cutting into it this time. Ow, at least it was a fire. Oh, fire! Fuego! Oh my. That was interesting, see? Give him a heal. Oh, comet! Now we're on fire again. So I would prefer to take care of this bug. Okay. Go with magic! We've got the MP for it. Did we just heal them? Girl. Oh! She deflected that. Throw it out of your bag. Not seen another chicken yet, have we? Oh, he went down quick. Okay. Get him up a little bit. Oh, he's still not faster than the bug. Kamikaze, he just like destroyed himself. Oh goodness, we're in pain. Your spell? Take care of yourself first. So the others were hurting a little bit more, I guess, but fire. Oh. The roulette. K is down for the count at the moment. Ow. I'm going to make you slower. Slow yourself down a little bit. Ow. Hit you in the head. Good job, girl. Sorry, Kay. Renovate. New move for her. Good girl. Okay. Flask of feathers, right? Oh, he wakes back up with 1 HP. Okay. Let's see here. Healing jar, healing juice. Everyone can have some juice. We're having a juice break.
It just pains me to see Sinisa like this. When I followed Azufra during the revolution, I was hoping for a better future than this.
Silicon neck. Lightning starts to make these. Allison. Ooh. What do we got right now? That boosts her. So how about we go ahead and give her, since she doesn't have a necklace. She's a good fighter. She can have one. Alright, now let's go back. Ah! You're caught? Okay. Let's see here. Recover 30% of the max HP each turn over the course of Ooh. Bug. Wait, what am I doing? I just sped up the bug! No! I got distracted by what I read. Oh no. What have I done to myself? I get to go again. Like, uh-oh, what have I done? Maybe I should have got him the sync road. Oh, he kamikazed. Okay, after all that. Okay, let's try this again. Boost, give her a boost. Goodness gracious. He's gonna die, actually. Hey girl, I need you to actually heal. Do that for me. She might be replacing Wilhelm, honestly. I like Wilhelm's scan ability, but she can heal just as well as he can, honestly. She's a little funner to use, too. Oh, water. Bleh. Everyone's wet. Ew. Punch the blob. And he's shrinking. Okay, actually, I would like to future you guys. Make you tiny. Ow. Maybe I'll get lucky and get water again. Lightning. Okay, well, we'll do that. Breaking. Ow. Pain. Skill roulette. Available target. Am I out? Buff the party at random. Play over. Oh wait. It's because I'm on the wrong side of the screen. That's it. Oh, did she just heal herself? She healed herself. Who cares about Kay right now? Punch. There we go. Get rid of it. Alright, let's get over and talk to these other people. Hopefully I don't regret that.
Hey you! We're looking for someone who has been running around trying to cure glass lung. Wait a second. That outfit! Hey! You're a research assistant, aren't you?
Yes, or at least I was. I've been testing out a few prototypes of a new medicine I've developed.
And I've been assisting her along the way.
She's an interesting design.
Lau? What are you doing here?
For the millionth time, Zas, please call me Mother Superior.
You're the Mother Superior here. And who is this?
My name is Arola. I'm a researcher who's been studying the glass lung. Finding a cure has been my life's work.
Please, could you give us some of that medicine too? Our friend is very ill.
I'm sorry, but I've already given away all that I had.
Uh-oh.
I don't have any more to give you, even if I wanted to.
Sorry, Christopher. You're just gonna die.
Can you not create any more of it?
The medicine is extremely hard to make. It took me months of work just to distill those first few samples.
We don't have months.
I'm sorry. I wish I could help. It's been a lifetime of research, but this is all I've managed.
Time!
There she is. The rebel goblin I've been hearing about. Guards! Seize her!
Wait, there must be some misunderstanding.
Please, Azufra, try to understand. Arola hasn't done anything wrong.
There's no mistake, Lau. My people spotted her sneaking around Ceniza, plotting who knows what. Frankly, I'm surprised someone of your stature would associate with someone like this.
She's only trying to help the poor people of Ceniza. You have to understand.
A likely story. She's a rebel, and she's under arrest. You're coming with me, woman.
Uh-oh. Do we have to fight him? Oh.
No, Azufra. This one belongs to the Empress.
You.
Oh no, not these two again. We have to save Arola. Come on, guys.
And let's not kill her like the other girl.
You guys again? Always getting in our way. Well, not today.
Again, I'm the only one that you haven't met, I think. I'm the only one you have met, I mean. I have to, the rest of my group is away sick.
To play out like last time, you little pests. The Empress has gifted us a new device, which will stop your meddlesome powers. There's no way you can defeat us.
I'm glad I have a synchro. Ow. Roulette galore. Oh, another wheel. Roulette. Did that do nothing? Did I waste it? I wish I could see how much damage they have been taking. Okay, skills. I want you to speed up a little bit. Okay. Microvolt. Attack again. I can see damage happening, but I just wish I knew what the bar was. Ow. Fine. Okay, we're going to do a heal roulette. Please get the whole group. Thank you. Whole group could use a boost. We're gonna do our new move. So she can keep receiving health. I hope it's her next 3 turns, not the next 3 turns in general. It'd be cool if there was like cracks forming, but it doesn't show that. Attack that has a different effects depending on the time state of the target. There was the rubber chicken. This one doesn't make him overheat as fast, so I'm using it so much. He hurts himself less. Uh-oh. Separate. That was a big attack. Give you a boost. Hoping he'd get to do another one in. Do a big impact strike. Ow! Pain! Uh-oh. He knocked himself out, didn't he? Ow! Pain! It's my fault. Okay. I need him awake or this is gonna be awful. Healing. Don't quit healing. Where is she? Girl, I need you. Please heal us all. Thank you. That'll help. She's got a good heal. Immune, but good. Okay. Ow. Okay, she might kill some of us. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I think I'm dead. Oh, we lost that battle. I doubt we're supposed to lose that battle. Alright, I will pause this because it's gonna make us go back through our dialogue.
Think things will play out like last time, you little pests.
Okay, so we're back. Took an extra few minutes for me to get here because We had not saved after Cris Bell had gotten her new move. I wanted to have that, so I had to do some fighting and encounters, and then I rested up and saved and all this, and we are great health, wonderful. If we die, we go back to the beginning of that. Okay, let's see this now, and I'm gonna save my how fast? Let's see. Can we slow them down a bit? Oh, it doesn't work. I just probably wasted that. Okay, well that started quickly. Can I synchro with him? No, I can't synchro with him. Okay. Got some damage on her right there. Here comes his sister. Fire, fire. Ow. Ow, don't kick her. Okay. And a second roulette with no negative option. Oh. And you're soaked, girl. So maybe we should have done some healing, but we'll get time for that here. Ooh, maybe I should have electrocuted her actually. Because she's wet. That would have probably been a good thing. Now you. Heal roulette. Please heal us both. All of us. Oh. Okay, well at least it was her. She needed probably the most. Ow. Fine. Are they swapping or something? Ow. Nope. She's doing good stuff. Okay. She's not wet anymore, unfortunately. Immune, critical. Give it to him, because he gets hurt so bad. Ow. Pain! 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 Like that. Oh, he might die. Crispell might die. Oh, Crispell's dead. And, oh, she's the only one who can help us. I know we're supposed to live this fight. Uh-oh. Good healer. Please do not do anything to attack. Ow. Okay, see here. Heal yourself up, Crispell. I want to make sure she got full health. Because everyone is about to die. Bad thing is I have no other turns. Maybe I'm attacking the wrong sister. Maybe I need to attack the other sister. If I die here, we'll go with that strategy. Want her. She's a little slower, but she can heal. Down to 1 health. Don't. She's back dead again. Why do I struggle so bad with these fights? And they killed us again. Okay, we're gonna try this again and attack the other sister. They can. Okay, pausing it again. Okay, I was looking up some tips and it was saying to It was saying it would be really nice if we had a poison one of these to upgrade him. But I don't, so we'll have to see what we have. The user restore damage they dealt back. That wouldn't be too bad. Actually reduce target's defense by 15. Ooh, that might inflict a burn. See, all of them I think would be good. I'm gonna go with defense though, I think. Okay, so let's check her. Not her to deal burn. And she should be already upgraded, right? Yeah, she's got the piercing one. Okay, so she already does a little bit of that. Okay. Alright, so few tips online, not a ton. We're gonna do our best to skip past this.
Yes.
A few tips, but not a ton. It was saying use Cris spell mainly for healing. Have Kay and Zaz do a lot of the fighting. Not to do the random roulette thing because she may heal though. Skip. Okay, but to do Zaz's like main attack because she'll actually do quite a bit of damage. So I don't think it's supposed to matter which sister you go for, but we'll swap it up. Okay. First off, I do want to make our characters faster, for sure. Boom. Girl's gonna break apart. Good. Ow. Yeah, that's my worry. She's gonna just block. So we gotta use this, go after this one. Hit him. Hopefully that'll help with that defense stuff. Help lower some of her defense there. I think it said online that they had like 1,074 health each. I wish I had a little counter telling me that, but oh well. Hey, that wasn't too bad. Okay. I need you. I want you speed. Did that right? Speed boost. Okay. Need him in extra. Into that big. Okay. Hopefully we live the fighting here. Ow, pain. Oh, case it hurt. Okay. Don't think he's gonna overheat himself here. But her defense is down a bit now. Smack her in the head. Heal him up. I do like seeing that her defense is going down. Gets hurt by him doing that. It's doing a little extra damage. Ow, pain. Don't kill Zaz, please. Pain. Oh no! They killed Zal! What is my... Oh, we're struggling. Oh, the struggle. I I don't think I saved after setting up their upgrades, so give me a moment.
Play out like last time, you little pests.
Oh, we'll see. Okay. Turn here. Pain. I think it's not split. I don't think it's gonna hurt. Ah, they still did a little damage. Uh-oh, I did the wrong one. Did a little damage, but I almost overheated myself doing that. Okay, there they go. Heck. Okay, I think we need to regress him. That'll get his overheat off. $67 to the head. Maybe I'd do better if I was better at deflecting. Enemy or party member. Oh no. That's 100. Give it to her. Heal a few turns, hopefully. Ow, pain! I'll kill her. They might kill her. Oh, she barely is left. Coolant. Nope. Get yourself a little bit, dude. Heal her. More speed in there. Like, we're not even defeated one sister yet. How's the second sister gonna act when something happens? Ow, pain. Oh no! Down. Ah, they killed her again. And JR's the only one somehow alive. Not going well again. Did I just take the wrong one? I took the wrong one. I'm dead. Blech. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to do some research and figure out what I need to do. Whether that's grinding or to get more levels, or if I need to go back and swap out and get Wilhelm back on the team, at least. You should be able to defeat it with this group, though, I would believe. But I will look into that, and I will hopefully beat this next game, the next video, and I will see you all next time in another episode of Cris Tales. Bye, everyone!